5 years old. So, I thought, okay na po yung magkaroon ng job earlier as an accountant because I was assured if you're an accountant, you are first to be hired and last to be fired. But I am to change that mindset because JOB's journey for the broke. Indeed, at that time, I was helping my uncle finance his medication. So I badly needed a business, but I'm not a business type of person. But I love to teach. I teach accounting, I teach business. That's why with the implementation of this membership benefit, it's like I'm coming home to a university, but in IMG, nobody fails, right? Because you can take the course over and over again. So, wala pa akong picture noon when it was implemented, di ba? Yung parang naka-print lang, just benefits. But I already try run the system. Kasi nga po, I'm not those weak people. Hindi po ako aggressive. I cannot sell. Yung pag-join, maybe if I touch the heart of the person. So, I'm very thankful for IMG kasi pinaprovide niya talaga yung gagawin ng mga weak persons. So, at first, hindi pa lang visualize. The benefits are already there, they check it, but hindi successful. But with the picture, napakadali na po. Kasi even just one benefit na i-check, I know what to do. Because before, kahit na po yung mga survey na yung yes or no ang sagot, I was already doing that. And pinalitan ko po yung mga na-survey ko dati. And sabi ko, meron bagong survey, and it is this one, the checklist, and this one. So, in this convention, I was able to bring attendees, pwede po naman yung guest, na pinakita ko lang to, at saka to. So, I will do the job after this convention because I'm going to ask for their feedback. Another thing I'd like to thank IMG is because when this book was launched, I really bought a lot of copies for this and a lot of copies of the workbook. Some of them I gave it for free, but they did not even appreciate yung hindi siya nag-ano ng result. Diba? But when IMG changed it to ganyan membership, so hindi na po ako natatakot mag-approach ng tao because I know who will just become a member and sino yung member na partner. So, it's true that if you are weak and you stay long in the business, I'm now here for, this is my 10th year, the strong people will come to your, will be given by the Lord to you. But make sure lang that you know how to handle them. So, dun sa 6th dimension na present ni Sir Joel, yung care, the trust, the love, that was already with me because I'm a mother, I'm a wife,